Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got my C7 Corvette. So on my last video I talked about how I was wanting to wrap my C7. So I had several colors in mind. So I made up my mind on which color I'm gonna go with. But before I tell you guys which color, let me just talk about why I'm doing it. So I've had this car since 2015. I bought it brand new. So I've had it for like 6.5 years. So I think it's time for a little bit of a change. So initially when I bought this car, my intention was to trade it in whenever the new car came out. And so to this day, I'm still very upset that the C8s are no longer in manual. So that just means I gotta have both cars. So I'm getting the C8 Z06. Just the manuals, it's just a different driving experience. I think I would really miss it if I got rid of this car. I'll probably just keep it forever. So that's one of the reasons why I figure I go ahead and wrap it, since I'll be keeping this car for a very long time. And I'm not too happy about all the colors available in the C8 Corvette. So when I get my Z06, I had already thought about doing a wrap. I figure it'd be a good practice for me to do my C7. If it turns out really good, then I could do my C8 Z06 as well. Now, as far as the colors I had in mind, I had thought about yellow. I had thought about like a light blue, maybe a cherry red. So one of the things I thought is, what color is a complementary to red? Because I'll still be leaving my red calipers. The car has red seats. So I pulled up the color wheel, and the color opposite of red happens to be turquoise. This one's kind of like a teal. So this is the color that I went with. So complementary to red, so it matches. So here I got the color wheel pulled up. It's just a combination of the colors that look good together. This is used by painters, graphic designers. We see it in logos, all kinds of things. So if I were to get the C8 in blue, I might just get the calipers in yellow. It seems like they would look good together. Maybe also the yellow seat belts too. So then I scrolled over to the red, because I got the red calipers, the red seats, and we can see that turquoise is a complementary color. So this was another reason why in the end I was like, well, let's just go with turquoise. And at the same time, I really like turquoise. When I went to the Corvette Museum, I saw a C1 in turquoise, and I thought that was such a beautiful car. And one of my friends has a C4 Corvette, it's turquoise, and I really like the turquoise color. I wish they would bring that color back into the Corvettes. So that is the reason why I decided to go with the turquoise, just because it used to be a color offered in the Corvettes, and because it's a complementary color to red, since I'll have the red calipers, red seats. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think it'll look great. So I'll be now, before I do it, I gotta clean the car and prep it really good so I can lay the film over. I'll be taking the bumper off, my headlights, so I can get everything tucked in real good. Take the grill off, the hood scoop. But I'm gonna start with the top. So I had this wrapped. It was some cheap material. We can already see the cracking of it. So I'll start by removing that and laying the top first, and then I'll probably start with the front and work my way back. So I think it'll be really nice. I'll I'll make some videos along the way, and so stay tuned. I think it'll be great, and thanks for watching.